A very warm good morning to all of you. My name is Harshit Das from BCA Batch 1. I am here to describe a topic on DMA operations which is given by our respected Amit Sukla sir. So let's start. What is DMA? DMA is basically used as direct memory access, in which it is used for controlling all the memory access during when the CPU is overloading. DMA, the 8086 microprocessor include dedicated DMA controller which enables manage and the transfer of data between the memory and the IO ports. The 8086 DMA controller have various channels. There are basically four channels. First channel is handles memory to memory transfer. Second channel observe the data transfer between the memory and hard disk controller. And third channel is used for the floppy and memory accession. And fourth channel is dedicated to the IO ports. As we know that DMA is basic operates on three basic principles, which is DRQ, DAC, and hold and HLDA. The DRQ is basically used as accessing IO ports or peripherals, which is used as initiating signal in the peripheral. DAC, the DMA controls respond to signal which indicate has granted DMA request. Hold, this signal manages the CPU bus, which is ownership. Advantage and application of DMA. CPU offloading. As we know that DMA is basically DMA's main aim is to reduce the workload of the CPU. So the CPU offloading is the main objective of the DMA. High speed data transfer. DMA is directly memory access which present between the main memory and the CPU. So the memory accession in between the DMA and the primary memory is very fast. Multimedia and IO. As we know that smaller programs such as IO programs and its driver needed to be executed first for the execution. So the multimedia and IO ports are used. Memory optimization. As we know that the primary memory is integrated directly to the DMA, so the memory optimization is increased. There are three types of data transfer mode. Bus mode. In this mode, DMA directly controls the buses and complete the entire process. Until the entire process is not controlled, DMA does not give the accession to the CPU. Demand mode. DMA directly controls the access as the DMA needed. Cycle steal mode. The DMA controls all the tri-state buses, which are control bus, addressing bus, and data bus. Thank you.